There are new projects launching all the time in crypto, and frankly, many of them are not focused on innovation, moving the bar forward. It's a lot of the same thing, over and over again, rinse and repeat. But that is not the case for the sponsor of this video. In fact, they are doing things in quite a unique way. They're a combination of crypto, NFTs, lending. They're making waves early on in this market cycle, and I think people need to have it on their radar moving forward. What I'm talking about is shezmu. Shezmu actually launched September 8th of 2023 at a price of about $1.30. We know that scarcity is something that tends to drive adoption and price in crypto, and this project is very much focused on scarcity. In fact, the development team on the initial day of launch burned 95% of the supply to create this initial supply shock, and we can see how well this is translated into price movement early on here. Now, what is very cool about this is they are focused on creating even further scarcity with their Guardian NFTs. You are actually incentivized to help remove supply. Now, what these Guardian NFTs do is you can actually burn 12 shezmu to mint a Guardian NFT. These Guardian NFTs actually yield daily rewards in both shezmu and USDC. You can see the current rate for shezmu is actually 0.1 shezmu per day per Guardian. There are different tiers on this based on how many Guardian NFTs you own, and there is a halving that is built into this as well to help control supply. So this is very cool. They also do have LP bonding with Agora, so you can actually provide LP, you can get rewards for doing so, you can actually get shezmu at discounted prices too. You can see the discounts based on these lockup rates. Very cool stuff there. There are different ways to acquire shezmu via the Nile on-ramp. You can actually utilize this for cross-chain swaps, the fiat on-ramp, over-the-counter purchases. But where this gets really exciting is the audited and first ever hybrid lending market in DeFi. So what this is Oasis. Now, what makes this unique is actually you can utilize not just ERC20s for borrowing and lending. You can utilize ERC721s and ERC1155s, meaning some of the most popular NFTs in the space can actually be used for borrowing and lending. For example, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Pudgy Penguins, and of course, the Guardian NFTs. Now, this does utilize an isolated market structure for tailored LTV and interest rates with each one of these assets. You can see it varies from asset to asset. And because of these segregated markets, it's actually an anti-volatility tool, meaning if one asset starts to go wild, it's not going to do the same things to the other ones as well. Now, there are other cool things coming down the line, including in governance and an incentive structure, as well as a growth fund that is going to help facilitate Oasis platform expansion, developments, and LP growth, bringing further liquidity to the entire shezmu ecosystem. There are some other unique opportunities that you can utilize this ecosystem for as well. For example, leveraging yield with looping on Oasis. Oasis plays into the current eigenlayer restake narrative via the following. Consider a user holding RS ETH from Kelp, which already earns them eigenlayer rewards and restaking yield. At Oasis, they can further leverage this asset to significantly enhance their position by depositing RS ETH as collateral, borrowing against it, and reinvesting the borrowed amount into more RS ETH. Users can significantly boost their yield through looping. Hopefully this is starting to make sense. Some compounding basically happening there. There are also possibly some arbitrage and peg stability utilization opportunities there. For example, SHZU, if it ever falls below its peg, it's always treated as $1 within the Oasis ecosystem. So again, there's a lot of cool things that are going on here. And I think that this is a project that does a great job of being forward thinking, doing things different, and really combining DeFi and NFT integration into one platform. I actually really like this project. I think people should obviously check it out. As always, this is not financial advice. I'll leave the links in the description below, but you talk about something that is separating itself from the pack and doing something different and, really setting itself up well for this market cycle. I believe that this is doing just that. So I'd love to hear your thoughts below. Let me know what you guys think, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.